Hello friends, my name is Taufik and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video in CorelDRAW we are going to see some shortcut keys or hotkeys which are very important while you are designing something complex, because it will save you a lot of time as well as some hard work, but it will be as effective as using the tool itself. So remember, this is a very useful video. So to begin with, we will draw some objects. So for example, I will draw a circle. I will draw another circle. I will color this. So I'm simply drawing some circles. Now let's say I want to align them to the left. What we have to do, we have to simply select them and simply press the L key for left, L left. If you want to align them to right, then R for right. If you want to align them top, T, and for bottom is B. So this is very simple to remember: left, right, top, bottom. Once again, left L, right R, top T, bottom B. Then if you want to align them horizontal center, remember C. Again, very simple to remember, first letter C. But now if you want to align them vertically, center align them but vertically, then there is a shortcut key E, or the hotkey is E. So remember, these all the shortcut keys, left, right, top, bottom and center, these are very easy to remember, but E you have to remember specifically, and once you use this continuously or regularly, you will easily remember this. So this is left, right, top, bottom, center C, and E vertically center. So remember, very easy to remember. Now after that, if you want to adjust the spacing between any objects, so firstly we will see the horizontal spacing. So I will create some shapes and I will apply different colors so that you will understand easily. Now as you can clearly see, the distance between each object is different. So if you want equidistant objects, then we have to simply select them and press Shift plus P. Remember, Shift plus P. So it will become, the objects will become equidistant. So now they are not aligned perfectly. That's why we are not able to see that. So what I'll do is I'll press T. So they will be arranged where top aligned, and you can see the spacing is equal like this. To check it properly, we can use the dimension tool. Press and hold Shift button. Look, the distance is 88.64 millimeter. Again, same. So as you can clearly see, Shift plus P is to distribute objects equally horizontally. Remember, Shift plus P. Again, if you want to arrange them, arrange or distribute equally vertically, then the shortcut key or the hotkey is Shift A. Remember, Shift plus A. I will center align them C. As you can see, equidistance. So remember, if you want to distribute equally horizontally, then the shortcut key is Shift P, and for vertically distributing objects equally, the shortcut key or the hotkey is Shift A. Remember. So if I draw like this, create objects, different objects, so that you can understand, because sometimes if the objects are similar, it is not that easy to understand what difference does it make. So what I'll do is I'll keep it over here. I will create another shape and I will keep it over here. So remember, left, right, top, bottom, this is center, vertical center. So as you can see, when you use different objects you will see different results, but the output is similar. So there is another shortcut key or the hotkey. If you want to place some objects or text, you can also use this same technique or shortcuts to text as well. So this is the text, and let's say if I want to place it in the center or at the center of the page, then you can simply press the P for page. So it will be aligned in the center of the or at the center of the page. You can also align any object like this, P, so it will be aligned at the center of the page. Doesn't matter, even if it is text, object or image, photograph, it will be aligned at the center of the page. So P is the shortcut key. And there is another shortcut key. If you want to move any text or object in a straight line, then simply press and hold the control key or the command key in Mac and drag it. So as you can see, if you press and hold the control key, it will move in a straight line, both vertically and horizontal. This is vertical and this is horizontal. So as you can see, straight line, straight line. So this is the shortcut key. Then I hope you understand, because these are very useful shortcut keys to remember: left, right, top, bottom, then shift A, shift P, then we have P, again we have control key to move any object in a straight line. Then earlier we have seen control R to repeat. Again we have seen the plus key to copy any object. So these are few shortcut keys that you should remember if you want to work faster and more efficiently. So I think I hope this video is helpful to you, and I hope you like this video. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye and cheers.